In the previous video, you have seen about the campaign creation and the tracking part. But in this video, I'm going to show you what are the new features that we have added in the tracking part and also the campaign creation. So initially the steps would be the same, where you create a campaign, mention all the budgets, and our AI will generate some content for you in terms of description and also the tasks. Once you have reviewed all this content, our AI will also suggest you some set of influencers. You can either choose from them or you can also choose to press the skip button. Once the campaign is created, you can add influencers from the list. And now once the influencers were added and also the campaign is went live, now it's time for you to track the campaign. Once you have added your reel links into the campaign, now the new feature that we have added is a real-time tracking. Here in the post section, once you have pressed the get metrics button, you can see the individual post metrics in a much more clearer way. This is completely real time and it is refreshed every 24 hours automatically. This helps you to analyze how the campaign is going live. And once the campaign is done, you can just directly press the end and you can see the entire combined view metrics of the campaign. This metrics help you to evaluate how the campaign went, whether it's success or failure, and what are the things that you need to change. In this, there are metrics like the real and suspicious followers, the age groups it has reached to, the overall combined impressions, reaches, ROI, and many other metrics. Along with that, you will also have the entire content pieces in your hand. So this is the entire full-fledged campaign report that you're looking at.